it'll make me feel like my opinions are worthwhile and they are important to politicians in our country, and that we can make a difference as young people and our voices are being heard. Well, I think my Welsh friends should be involved in Welsh democracy because they're Welsh and it will make so much difference to our country. We need to be progressive in our society. We need to make changes for the better. We can't stay stuck in the past. It's all about moving on, moving forward with a better society, with a fairer society as well. Absolutely, I think it's fundamental. Being Welsh citizens, we need to understand our legal system, we need to understand our political system, and to know what we're voting for, how we should vote, how we can vote, the different ways in which we can vote. From a very young age, I believe we should have something that kind of mirrors the youth parliament in England. So from the age of 11 to 18, that will mean that we can make more informed, more educated decisions when it comes to our voting, when it comes to local meetings, party meetings, and that we really know how we can make our voice heard effectively. It shouldn't be something that should just be kept on the side, that our AMs shouldn't really engage with. I think they need to be engaging, and then that status needs to be given to the youth parliament, and to show that young people are important, their voices are important, and we need to be heard. So having a youth parliament in Wales will give me a formal platform as a young person to voice my opinions and to give my views on issues that affect me